right, people, we got carpet on the way. After 3 years, it's finally time. This is not a drill. We gotta get this place cleaned up. All right, it is still not a drill. We are gonna get carpet tomorrow morning, and it is now after 11 p.m. I still gotta paint these baseboards. So, let's get at it. All right, carpet is on its way. I cannot wait. I ran out of paint last night at around midnight, got up early and went to go grab some paint. So I'm gonna try to get some touch-ups done around here. Top of the baseboard needs a coat of paint, but it is looking good and we are almost there. So the next time you see this room, it is gonna be covered in carpet. Yes, finally, after 3 years. Now we just need some AC, it is hot. All right, so I have made a critical error. When I did the other bedroom, I did it entirely in one paint, which is this Gideon Essentials Eggshell White, which is the cheapest, most generic white paint you get at Home Depot. And I forgot that I did this entire room with the generic cheap white paint from Lowe's. So I don't know if you could see it, but the Home Depot paint is just barely off-white, and Lowe's paint is not off-white. Lowe's paint is like platinum white. So I realized a little too late. I already did most of the trim in here, and I'm starting to see the difference. It's hard to pick up on camera, so carpet's gonna be here any minute now. It's kind of too late, so I'm just gonna have to come back another time and touch it up, put down some blankets, but might as well finish, right? Put down some primer and then pick a color. All right, I'm calling this one done. I got the AC going. It's nice and cool in here. Eventually, it will be a guest room, so at some point it'll get a bed. Closet will probably get filled with junk, maybe some extra blankets and whatnot. This area here is probably gonna get a dresser, maybe some extra stuff above there, maybe a desk. I don't know. Do not know. But what I do know is this room is done, and I am excited. We got carpet. This little guy's loving it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned because I'm already working on the other rooms. So almost there. See you later.